Hi everybody, I'm Florida Trailblazer, exploring the history and wilderness of Florida. Today I'm out here hiking through these woods, going off the beaten path near this area called Dead River. And it's located in Hillsborough County, Florida. And it's a fascinating place of beauty and many layers of history. You see, during the 1900s there was a small community out here, a retreat of sorts, where people had cabins and fish camps. May have been homesteads out here and farms. It's a place where people came to get away from it all. Today, we're going to take a journey through these woods, experience this beautiful nature that those folks did as well, and see what traces from the past we can discover along the way. A lot of nice trails back in here. Go right along the river. So there's some really amazing views. Having a great time exploring around out here. I'm going to follow some of these trails and areas through the woods here along the river. Such a peaceful place, really beautiful. And seeing some traces from the past out here. Reminders of the history once in this place. Exploring around the river here, seeing some foundations in this area. Some concrete foundations, and this looks like part of a staircase. You can see the steps right here. And there was a structure at one time in this area, no longer here. Down here I can see some more foundations. Seeing part of this foundation here along the river. And it goes for a little ways here. Following this trail now, it's leading me along the river, and it goes for several miles. So it's nice to follow along this area. And right through these woods here, beside me, through the trees is the river, so it's like you're hiking right above it. It's really nice. There's a lot of little off trails that lead you down to the shore, and just taking all the scenery. And like right here, for example, see a little off trail there. Come down here, See these incredible views, and this is how it is all along these trails. Exploring out here in the woods, came across this old tractor. It's been here for quite some time. It's really neat to see this relic from the past here. Look at these wheels. See here, John Deere.